Burnham Nationwide, Inc. is a permit expediting and building code consulting service backed by over 30 years in the architectural, engineering, and construction industries. We help clients avoid delays and bureaucratic obstacles when it comes to obtaining and processing building permits from start to finish, not just in Chicago but across the United States. The entire process of building permit processing can be overwhelming and time-consuming. We are here to push through that bureaucracy quickly, accurately, and efficiently. We've been a trusted partner to many construction companies, municipalities, investors, and individuals for decades, and we would look forward to an opportunity to become your trusted partner in building permit expediting services. At Burnham Nationwide, we like to, just get things done. You see, we understand the importance of a streamlined permit expediting process for your construction projects. We have a team of expert permit expediters who are dedicated to helping you navigate through the complex maze of regulations and paperwork, ensuring a hassle-free experience from start to finish. Our highly skilled permit expediters have years of experience and an in-depth understanding of local building codes and regulations. They know the ins and outs of the permit application process like the back of their hand, allowing them to anticipate potential challenges and overcome them swiftly. Picture this: you're working on a construction project that's ready to take off, but without the necessary permits in hand, progress comes to a screeching halt. Delays cost you time, money, and frustration. That's where Burnham Nationwide ultimately saves you time and money and ensure your compliance for all steps of the project through your certificate of occupancy. With Burnham Nationwide, you gain a competitive advantage. We simplify the entire permit process for you, acting on your behalf. We keep you informed every step of the way and present alternative options when they make sense to take advantage of. No more long waits at city, county, or state offices and piles of confusing paperwork. We make permit processing fast and efficient. What sets us apart is our commitment to personalized service. Our team is not just a group of permit expediters, we are your strategic partners. We take the time to understand your unique project requirements and tailor our services to meet your specific needs. So whether you're a large construction firm or a developer with their first project, Burnham Nationwide is here to help. Contact us today to discover how we can accelerate your projects, remove roadblocks and difficulties that commonly hold up progress. Don't let permits hold up your project, and let Burnham Nationwide ensure your timely completion. Burnham Nationwide, your pathway to success in the world of construction. Visit our website or call us today for a free consultation. Burnham Nationwide, your permit expediting experts, just a click or call away.